Hey friends, if you wish to use tags in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Click on File and then go to Info on the list on the left hand side. So this is the pane. Earlier it was a little different, but now the positions have changed. Earlier you had to go to Properties and all. But now there is a special section under Properties which says Tags. So you can simply add a tag here. So I can add a tag as videos because that's what I'm making here, and click outside. And if I want to add multiple tags, then simply add a comma or even a semicolon and then add another tag and hit enter. So this way you have added two tags here. Okay, so it's not all one tag. With a comma it makes two tags, and then you can use these tags to sort out your documents. It makes it easier. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.